This is the iPhone 5S, and yes, it still deserves your attention in 2025. The iPhone 5S was released in September 2013, and it wasn't just another iPhone, it was a milestone. It introduced Touch ID, the first fingerprint sensor on an iPhone, and brought in the 64-bit A7 chip, making it the first 64-bit smartphone in the world. At the time, it was fast, it was sleek, and it was light years ahead of the competition. In short, it wasn't just a phone, it was a statement. The iPhone 5S remains one of the most beautifully designed smartphones Apple has ever made. Its 4-inch Retina display, aluminum body, and chamfered edges made it feel premium, elegant, and timeless. It fit perfectly in the hand, and even now, it's one of the last truly compact iPhones. At just 112 grams, it was light but solid, durable, balanced. Holding it today in 2025 is like holding a piece of tech art. So how does the iPhone 5S hold up today? Let's be honest, it's outdated in many ways. It's stuck on iOS 12, so most modern apps no longer work, and the security is far behind. But for basic use, calls, texts, offline music, photos, notes, it still works surprisingly well. The battery life may be weaker than it used to be, but with a new replacement battery, it's manageable. And Touch ID? Still smooth, still fast, still satisfying. For those looking to disconnect from social media or embrace digital minimalism, the 5S offers a clean, distraction-free experience. The 8-megapixel rear camera with True Tone flash was excellent for its time. And even in 2025, it's decent in good lighting. The front camera? Not so much, but it gets the job done for basic selfies or video calls. Performance-wise, the A7 chip struggles with modern demands. But for the basics, it holds its own. Especially if you're just using it as a backup phone, or for music, reading, or journaling. And yes, the headphone jack is still here. The iPhone 5S wasn't just a phone, it was the beginning of the future. It laid the foundation for everything that came after. Secure fingerprint unlocking, 64-bit processing, a premium build in a small body. In many ways, the 5S is Apple's last small masterpiece, and in 2025, it stands as a reminder that great design never goes out of style. So if you're holding on to an old iPhone 5S, or thinking about picking one up for nostalgia, know this: you're not just using a phone, you're holding a legend. Thanks for watching. Like, comment your favorite iPhone memory, and subscribe for more tech throwbacks and deep dives into the devices that defined a generation.